Hi learners, so today we are going to have a toothy experiment with a sugary drink and our very own teeth. Our chalk is acting as a teeth because both are rich in calcium. Now when we have some cola, our teeth are in contact with the sugary drink. What would happen if we keep drinking such sugary drinks? Let us see. When we keep this chalk in the cola, what actually happens? Our enamel will get spoiled. We will develop toothache and sensitivity. And our surface of the tooth will also start decaying. It will become soft and very, very weak. So here it is. Our tooth has decayed now. It has corroded because of the sugary drink. So do you think it is good to have lot of sugary drinks, my dear children? No, it is not good to have excessive sugar. Thank